custom closet systems in Kansas City and the process of remodeling of such. With our firm, this is a service that we offer, and it is something that we are proud of it, because closets for the American markets are very different than the European market, and they're very important, more so than the European market. So let's talk about that. In the American market, right, we still have rooms that we turn into closets, right? And then we make layouts how to fit our clothes, hanging or folding. The old school way to do this was to buy a plywood shelf or MDF material and make shelves and rods, and that was about it, right? So you got your MDF shelves for the folding and then for the hanging. Well, today people want more. So as the fashion world gets more accommodating for everyday clothing, or I won't say affordable, but just more option and so on, people want more than just that MDF or plywood shelves with the hanging options. So that is where we come to play. So we take the approach of the very custom way, and we really spend lots of time with you figuring it out. How many, like, what is your lifestyle? So do you have suits? Do you have dresses? Do you fold lots of your sweaters or pants or blouses? Do you have handbag collections that you want to be able to see and show? Do you have jewelry that you want to be able to see on a daily basis and just kind of walk by and grab and figure out what you're wearing? How much of that is really important to you? So let's say it's very important to you. We go to the point of figuring out each piece, so each inch in the closet will have a purpose. That inch will be converted into whatever is that you need and you want. And then from that point, it becomes like your own shopping boutique, because everything is put together just like that, like would be in a store. So it's very easy for you on a daily basis to come in, grab what grab what you want, and it feels fulfilling. Everything has a place for it. There is no more piles of stuff that you don't know where to go with that. So as this is so custom, it is very different than the stock just a shop bought, and I don't even know that there is just a shop bought to that extent, because it is custom to your lifestyle, custom to the spacing that you have, and literally custom to the every inch. From that point, once that layout is figured out, we have all kinds of colors, we have all kinds of materials, we have inserts that we offer and we implement into the drawing, and then obviously later into the closets. Things like ballet tie hooks, ballet belt hooks, just the name of those tells you that obviously it is meant to look more upscale. It offers you more solutions, and it just is cool. It solves a problem, it looks good, and is inspiring to start your day by shopping into your own closet. Now, for the guys that are watching this video, I will tell you, you totally want your wife to have that, because it will save you money on the long run. Many women forget what they have in the bags and the boxes, and now when they see it, they reuse what they actually have. So on the long run, you're saving the money. But jokes aside, it is something that is custom, is worth the money when you're investing in the home that you're going to stay, and is a luxurious feel. It makes your day and your mood better.